Why tear everything down when we can reinvent it? In France and in Poland, Saint-Gobain is building and renovating ultra-modern spaces using modular, sustainable, and local solutions. I'm Mia, and today, in the final episode of our series on the future of construction, we're heading to France and Poland. Two countries, two approaches, one shared goal, transforming what already exists. Across Europe, energy renovation is a key issue. Most existing buildings are old and highly energy-intensive. To begin addressing this, let's head to Poland. Here, the momentum is ambitious. Poland is investing in landmark projects like the Warsaw Tower in Warsaw, the tallest building in Eastern Europe. It embodies a new way of designing sustainable buildings, an approach that inspires the renovation of existing ones. Bold architecture, technical performance, and environmental commitment, a model for rethinking the future. And this ambition doesn't stop at the city skyline. It extends to industry. Further south, in Gliwice near Katowice, Saint-Gobain's Isover plant is adopting hybrid furnaces to produce glass wool insulation using recycled glass. This leads to a significant reduction in CO2 emissions and marks a concrete step toward a circular economy. These materials help improve the thermal performance of buildings in Poland. By enhancing insulation, they reduce heating needs in winter and cooling needs in summer. From Warsaw to Gliwice, the message is clear. Sustainable construction is becoming a reality. Now let's leave Poland and head to France, the final stop on our world tour celebrating Saint-Gobain's 365th anniversary. The challenge is considerable. 80% of the buildings that will exist in 2050 are already standing, and between 6 and 7 million homes are still considered energy sieves. In Écureuil, near Grenoble, Saint-Gobain Solutions supported the renovation of 3,000 square meters of social housing. To insulate without disturbing the residents, a lightweight facade was installed from the outside using the Enveovent system. Clean, fast, and low-disruption work resulted in much more comfortable buildings. But accelerating energy renovation in France is everyone's responsibility, from professionals to private homeowners. This means making a wide range of solutions accessible to all. That is exactly what Saint-Gobain Distribution Bâtiment France is doing through brands like Point P and Cedio. They offer craftsmen easy-to-implement solutions, the right products, the right services, and personalized support. Most importantly, they equip professionals with the tools they need to help individuals clearly understand what energy renovation can truly bring them. Energy renovation is clearly at the heart of the group's actions in France, and this is where our global journey for Saint-Gobain's 361st anniversary comes to an end. From the United States to Brazil, from South Africa to Australia, from China to India, from the United Arab Emirates to Poland, and finally to France, we have traveled the world to explore the vital role of sustainable construction. This series is ending, but the story continues, because together we build a more sustainable future every day with one shared ambition: making the world a better home.